Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we want to talk about another very helpful tool when it comes to flows in this case, and it's the Flow Trigger Explorer. So let's assume you worked a while with your org and you see here flows are growing and growing and growing. And especially for record triggered flows, because I think from my experience, you will this use most. You see you have a long list, and at some point it's not that easy to have a really clear overview about it. And therefore, when it comes to or only your record triggered flows, you have this Flow Trigger Explorer. Click on this and you see here a beautiful interface. What you see here, first you can select an object, like let's say case for the moment. And you see here, based on your triggers, you have here created, updated, or deleted. Let's go back to created. You see which actions are related to your flows, or which flows you have for this object. You have here flows with fast field updates. You see it here, run before save. Here we have one flow with an action and related records. It's run on after save, and here you see you have also run and synchronously and scheduled path. So, for example, yeah, it's perhaps not the best example. In one case, we just have one here. Let's go back to our opportunity. It's a bit better, I think. You see here we have three different flows at the moment, or three different record triggered flows on our opportunity. What's really nice here now, whatever you select, let's say opportunity, and on created, let's go to updated. See, we have even more here. And I want to say I want to create a new flow on the opportunity with a trigger on update, and you click just here on new flow. You see here that this configuration will be done automatically by the system, so the object is already selected and your trigger. So I know perhaps not the biggest innovation, but it makes life a bit easier. So let's go back here. Yeah, these are all on version 1. Perhaps let's go back to the case again and on created. And what you see here, I have now here a flow with a version 4. And once you click here on flow details and versions, you see everything you did here. You can open the versions, you can activate it, and I think it's much easier than to do it like this. So I forgot the name already. So it's the skill-based flow. And here you see what you have to do. Let's say in the old world, you have here to go to the versions and have it now here. I think in this case, it's much easier, especially if you have a lot of flows, yeah, to administrate it. And the last really good feature about this is, and now we go back to our opportunity. You see here for every of this, let's say, buckets, you might have, like we have here, many different flows. And you see here an order, so 1, 2, 3, which means if, okay, this one is active, but let's assume you have 10 different flows doing updates on the object, in our case, the opportunity. You have here the order which flow runs first, or which record triggered flow runs first. And here you can also go on edit order and just drag and drop it and change the order, depending on, let's say, your priorities. That's it. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next video.